In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manager or a user to Google Business Profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure the right people have the right level of access. Before you start, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns or manages your business profile. If you have multiple locations, double check you're in the correct profile for the location you want to update. Open your browser and go to business.google.com. This is the home for managing your Google Business profile. Once your profile loads, look toward the top of the page for the three dots icon. It's usually in the upper right corner on desktop. Click that to open the menu. If your layout looks slightly different, look for a menu or settings icon. Google updates interfaces occasionally, but the option you need will be there. From that menu, choose Business Profile Settings. This opens the panel where you can control key aspects of your profile. In that panel, click People and Access. This is where you manage who can view and make changes to your business information. Next, click Add. A dialog will open asking for the person's email address. Type the email they use for their Google account. If they don't have one, they'll be prompted by Google to set it up when they receive your invite. Enter the address carefully to avoid sending access to the wrong person. Now choose the role you want to assign. You can select Owner or Manager. Managers can edit business information, respond to reviews, post updates, and view insights. Great for staff or agencies that need to work on the profile day to day. Owners have higher level control, including the ability to add or remove users and manage critical settings. There is also a concept of a primary owner. Every profile has one, but you don't need to change that to add a new person. Grant owner access only to people you fully trust, since they'll have broad control. When you're ready, click Invite. Google will send an email to the address you entered. The person will appear as pending until they accept. You can open the same people in Access area later to see the status, resend the invite, change roles, or remove access as needed. A few tips before we wrap up. Give people the minimum access they need, review your user list periodically, and remove access for anyone who no longer requires it. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Follow these steps anytime you need to bring a colleague, manager, or agency onto your Google Business profile.